Hello, Tab Nation. It's Tom. Today we're going to be looking at kind of last ran, variable, hotkey, that kind of stuff. This really helps kind of with the debugging point of AutoHotkeys. Maybe you're running into a problem. You can see, what variable was last used, what line was last used, what was the last hotkey that actually got triggered, that kind of stuff. So it's a great way to kind of really pinpoint in your script where maybe something's going wrong. This is very easy to do because it's, based off the script you're running, you can open this dialog box. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump straight into that. So just a quick view of what code we're going to be using here. I'm going to go F1, message box, 1111, return, F2, we're going to use a variable here, equals 22222, message box equals variable return. So we're going to keep it very simple here. That way it's easy to see what we're doing. So let's run last ran. Where is that? I really should organize my desktop, shouldn't I? Oh, there it is. All right, last ran. Let's go ahead and open that. There we go. I'm going to push F1. All right. Now, unfortunately, I don't have my screen quite fixed at the right size right now. But in the bottom right corner, your little tray there where your icons are, you're going to see last ran. I'll include a link to a picture of this because I didn't think about this. I'll just put it in the description below so you can see what I just clicked on. But you're going to right click on your script that you want to look at. And at the very top of that context menu is going to be open. And it's actually bolded so it sticks out very well. So we're going to push open. And here's the screen we get. So by default, it's going by lines. So last line ran. So you can actually see right here where it did message box 111 and then return 32.22. That's just like the seconds and stuff. So the last line that ran in my code was that return. And before that line was the message box. Pretty self-explanatory. Now we can go to view. So you're going to click view. And lines most recently executed, that by default is what you're going to see, what we just saw. That's what comes up first. Let's do variables and their contents. So we're going to click that. So as you see, 0 of 0. Well, that's because those last few lines of code did not have a variable at all. So let's go ahead and push F2. We got that 222, and a variable was ran in there. Now, as you see, nothing's there. So what we do is we push F5, and that's going to auto refresh for us. And there we go. Variable 2222. So now we can see what was the last variable that something was done with. We can see that now. Now we can go to view, hotkeys and their methods. So we click that, and as you see, our first hotkey really that we ran was F1. Our second one that we just pressed was F2. Key history and script info. That's just kind of really showing you what it was used with, all that. I obviously ran it. It was also used in Notepad++. Some basic information. I honestly pretty much never use this. I don't really have much of a reason. And you can see also I pushed F5 to refresh the script info. So yeah. Very short video because it's very simple, but it's something that can be very helpful for you all. If you guys have any questions on this or anything maybe I missed that you want to expand on, I use this from time to time. I'm kind of the, it's a bad thing, but message box debugger kind of guy sometimes, because usually my issue is always variables. I make a spelling mistake in a variable, or I copy and paste it incorrectly in the wrong spot, that kind of thing. So yeah, I hope you guys got some value out of this, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Definitely subscribe, hit that bell notification, like it so that I get this video up there so more people learn more about AutoHotkeys. See you guys.